Aloha guys, Scuba Chris here. Now this is the rod that I got from Kil Song a little while back. I was supposed to go out and test it here in Hawaii. It's a prototype plugging rod. Is in two pieces, 50-50 split, and it's rated for 1 to 4 ounces. So it's a good moderate pluggy rod, and I was supposed to go out with it, but I've been having stringy bad luck with it. First my dog almost died of a stroke. Then after that, I was ready to go out. Then I got sick. I mean, the sickest I ever got in my whole life, and I was out for almost a month. And then after that, my car died. After my car got better, my neighbor fixed it. It died again, really bad. So my neighbor's on vacation, and he's coming back tomorrow. So hopefully that'll be taken care of. But this here, I'm going to be pairing this up with the Okuma Rockaway reel. This one here is the surf reel. This is the 8000. Now this one here is a big ass reel, as you can tell. It is holding, I think, like almost 480 yards, 480 I believe, of 50-pound braid. So it has a lot of braid on it. Is good for medium plugging. Now this rod here that was sent to me by Mr. Kil Song, this rod here is going to be a plugging rod. He's using it for Texas. He's doing well off the jetties down in Texas. He's also using it for bottom jigging off the boats, for everything from fluke down to stripers. He's doing extremely well. But he wants me to do the shoreline expedition, so let's see how this goes. All right. Is good stats on it. It looks like a solid rod. He's taken all over to the East Coast shows, and they're doing extremely well. So let's give you a breakdown on the rod, which I just did. It's very simple. Let me give you a breakdown on the reel, because it took me a while to figure which reel to use, because I got a lot of reels. Okay guys, I'm going to be using this beautiful reel from Okuma for the Bixod Rod. This is the 8000 Rockaway, which is good for plugging and surf casting. I received this reel back during the ending of the COVID in 2022. It has 4 ball bearings plus 1 roller bearing. Gear ratio is 5.3 to 1. Line retrieve 48.4 inches per turn. Max drag, pretty impressive, 35 pounds. And weight is only 18.7. Now, if you were to get the bait feeder model, it's 2 ounces heavier, but this one is not that. So, mono capacity is 550 yards for 12 pound, 370 yards for 16, 305 yards for 20. Braid capacity is 570 yards for 40 pound. This one here, I have 50 pounds, and it still took, I think, 530 or 540 yards. So, like I said, it's 4+1 stainless steel ball bearing system, quick anti-reverse roller bearings. So it's a top of the line reel with precision cut brass pinion gears. It has cyclonic flow rotor technology. The casing on that is graphite, so it's corrosion resistance, and including the side plate, and it has a metal rotor. It has a Ridget metal handle to reduce flexing. It also incorporates the long cast spool design. That's why the line is so closely packed to each other. So you're going to get long distance casting, and you're going to get a lot of line packed onto that reel. And that spool is a 2-tone anodized aluminum spool. I chose this reel because it incorporates the long distance slow oscillation system, and it also carries a 1-year limited warranty from the manufacturer. Plus, it holds a hell of a lot of line, and it's available in 6,000 and 8,000 size. Now, this is the 8,000. I looked at the 8 and the 6, and I believe that the 8 will work fine. Plus, it is unusually light for its size, probably because of the graphite frame. And the main weight seems to be the line. I mean, I have over 500 yards of braid on it, and it's 50 pounds. So I think I should do really well with it. So what is the cost of this reel? It's slightly over a Benji, if you know what a Benji is. And the rod, I'm not sure what the cost is, because Kil Song is the rep for the new company, so they're still marketing this rod to see what it can do and what the fair MSRP would be. Thank you.